Hello everyone, Salam, this is Mehdi and I'm here to help you speaking Farsi faster, better and more fluent. At the very end of this video, not only talking about and conjugating the verb to eat in Persian, but also you'll be able to talk about almost any verbs and conjugate it. And by this conjugation, you can speak Farsi up to 70% because these are two main things we use in our everyday life, so it's very practical. Let's get started. I'll just share my screen with you. As you can see here, we got a pizza. What's a pizza in Persian? When we want to say what is this in Persian, we quickly say in chie, which in stands for this, and chie, what is it? What is it? So, what is it? Tell me. It's a pizza. In Persian, it is pizza. Pizza. The same word, but with a Persian accent. So, let's learn some vocabularies. I'm pretty sure it makes you hungry, but there's nothing to do with it. این چیه؟ Hamburger. Try to repeat it out loud because repetition is the key towards your success in language learning. Hamburger. So, pizza, hamburger. این چیه؟ Hot dog. In Persian, we also say hot dog. Hot dog. این چیه؟ Lasagna. In Persian is lasagna. Try to repeat it after me. Lasagna. 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 Oh, my favorite one. This is although it's very greasy, but I love it. Kebab in Persian is kebab. So we learned some vocabularies. It's time to tell you one truth, one fact about the conjugation. When you want to learn a verb in Persian, try to learn three things. Number one, the infinitive. Number two, the past stem. And number three, the present stem. So let me show you how it works. خوردن is the infinitive of to eat. At the very end of each infinitive in Persian, there is a an sound. خوردن, کردن, پوشیدن, گرفتن, بردن. You see, an. Just remove it. It gives you what? The past stem. خوردن is the infinitive. خورد is the past stem. And the present stem is khor. It's very simple, yeah? Let me wear my glasses. I'm more comfortable with these glasses on because safety first. And when it comes to the past sentences, as I told you, in Persian, there is a subject, object, and the verb. So, the verb in the past stem is usually having accompanying at the very end of it an ending. For the past, we use a past ending. And you also need to know the subject pronouns. I'll tell you, there are 6 of them in Persian. Try to repeat it after me. I, man. Man. You, informal and singular. I'll tell you what I mean by informal later. To. I, man, you, to. Let me have my pointer here to show you much better. Man, to. He, she, it. In Persian is u. We, ma. You, shoma. And they is anha. So I'll try it again. Try to repeat it after me out loud. It's very important. You gotta hear yourself. Man, to, u, ma, shoma, anha. Could you repeat it? I'll tell you again. Man, to, u, ma, shoma, and finally, anha. Instead of anha, in spoken form of Persian, we could also say una. there's something here I need to share with you right away. What is it? In Persian, to show respect to someone, specifically in the case we do not know them, we do not say to, which is you singular. We say shama, although he or she might be one person. We say shama. It shows respect, but it's still correct to use to for anyone. But to show them respect, and specifically when we're not so close, we'll say shama. Okay, let's continue. And the endings. I got a very good news for you. The endings almost, except the third person singular, is similar for the present and the past. Let's follow it. You need to learn these things to be able to talk about the verbs in Persian. It's gonna be so simple, believe me. In just 2 minutes, you'll see the magic. For I, the ending is am. Am. For you, singular, informal, it is e. For he, she, it. This is the exception I told you. For present stem, it's add, but for past stem, there is nothing. We do not add anything. You'll see more examples later on. For we, it is im. For you, formal, plural, it is id. And for they, it is and. For example, I want to say I ate pizza. What was I? I. It is man. Then you put the object, which is pizza here. Man pizza. Man pizza. The reason I'm just not sharing anything with you right now is to force you to think, to learn, to speak. Okay? So, man pizza. What was the past tense of to eat? Khordan was the infinitive. Remove the an, it is khord. Man pizza khord. What was the ending? Am. Man pizza khordam. Let me show you very quickly. I ate a pizza. Man pizza khordam. You see? Man and am at the very end of the verb shows who are you talking about. All right? So, hamburger. I ate hamburger. Your turn. For pizza it was man pizza khordam. For hamburger it is man hamburger khordam. Hot dog. Man hot dog khordam. Lasagna. Man lasagna khordam. Kebab. Wow, delicious as I told you. We just call it kebab, but not kebab. Okay, and there are different types of kebab in Iran. Believe me, try chicken kebab, which we call it juje kebab. Try I don't know, kebab berk, kebab bakhtiyari. If you wanted to come to Iran, just call me. I'll let you know which kebab is better to try. Because of course you cannot try them all. It will be so heavy for you. So man kebab khordam. That's it. For pizza, we want to say you. Okay, you ate a pizza. To pizza khordi. Okay, it's just like a substitution drills where you pick up some words. You just put a different word in it, and it's gonna be very easy for you. Hamburger, but this time for he, she, it. او hamburger khord. As I told you, as the past ending, there is nothing at all. You see it. We ما hot dog خوردیم. Try to repeat after me. ما hot dog خوردیم. Lasagna. ما No, not here. It's not ما. Sorry. You plural. شما لازانیا خوردید. Kebab for they. What was they again? آنها kebab خوردند. Now let's talk about present sentences. Regardless of what you say in Persian, regardless of the tense, mood, whatever. It follows the same structure. First of all, we got the subject, then the object, at the very end, the verb. Just look here, the present sentences. Again, it's the same thing. And when it comes to the verb, that's the only part we see some changes. First of all, we add a me sound to it. We write it that way. I tried to put transliterations for you so you can follow it very quick and you can get what it means if you cannot read Persian. So I think it's going to be helpful for you. Me plus present stem, I got the bad news for you. You cannot make present stem like the past stem. You gotta, understand it. You gotta learn it. And present stem at the very end, ending. And I talked about endings already. So, for example, we got kebab here. All right, I eat kebab. Man kebab mi khoram. We add me plus the present stem, which is khor, and am, which is the ending. You try it this one. We want to say you, singular, but this time for pizza, which is pizza in Persian. You singular. To, pizza, mikhor, the ending, e. To pizza, mikhori. Because I got a lot of students all around the globe. Most of them are saying to pizza mikhori. No, it's not correct. Try to say mikhori. Try to connect them together. Hamburger. But this time, he, she, it. How do we say it? We say او hamburger میخورد. Hot dog for we. What was we again? ما. Hot dog میخور, the ending. im. ما hot dog میخوریم. Alright? Lasagna. We say lasagna. So, شما lasagna میخورید. You plural. You eat lasagna. شما lasagna میخورید. No matter who you are or how many people are there, I can say simply, whether you're one person or a lot of people, I can say شما lasagna میخورید if you're eating a lasagna at that time. Yeah? So it shows respect, as I told you. All right. Next one is kebab. So how do we say they eat kebab? They, anha, eat میخورند. But we put it at the very end. Kebab. Anha kebab میخورند. This is it. If you got any questions, please ask me. You can follow the instructions on my blog. I'll try to put them in the table, and you can post your examples and questions as a comment. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really gonna help me to create more videos for you. It was so great talking to you. And you can count on me. I'm here to help you speaking Persian even better. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'll see you soon.